Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to add all kinds of stats to your Discord server. Now it's a very easy process and I'm going to show you step by step on how to do it. Now the first step of course is opening up your Discord application, as you can see right here, and head down to the channel where you want to add these stats to. Now these stats can be managed and be seen by adding a command or messaging a command inside your server, and you see your own stats or the stats of the servers, of course. Now to add these stats, we're going to the add your first application or straight to the app directory. From here we go to check it out and we type in stats bot. Now as you can see right here, this is the one we're looking for, the stat bot, the green SB logo, and here as you can see there's a load of options to choose from. The stats by hour, day, week, month, voice stats, and a lot of popular stash commands. Now here simply add this application to your server by adding the server that you would like. Let's go to the test one. Here press continue, authorize the application to everything, and here we need to confirm that we're not a human. Go to test one, and as you can see it's been added. Now to check these commands, simply go back to the application statbot. Now let's say I want these stats. I simply go inside and type in stats activity, press enter, and now the stat will give me an update, and from there I can use all kinds of stats, and that's it. Now if you still get any other questions regarding this tutorial, please leave it in the comments down below. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, it helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.